Hello YouTube. I saw a lot of recommendations about this 22 guns for beginners or for whatever is involved to the shooting, and that this is absolutely a must-have to have a 22 rifle and a 22 pistol and for training, and because the ammunition is quite cheap. And you see this one round of 22 long rifle is about 1 cent. And it's underestimated, I think, when you see all this small one, but it will travel 2 miles, 2.5 kilometers. It's on the package they write dangerous within 2 miles. And so it should be not a problem to hit a target at a distance of about 100 meters or so. Normally we use this for 50 meters and it is impressively accurate. Especially this one here with this match barrel. And that's a beautiful made shaft and a match barrel. And this is a semi-automatic gun. With a match trigger, fully adjustable, and it's, I think, one of the best ones you can buy. But the impressive thing is that this is actually a pistol. It's not a gun. So this holds 5 rounds, 22. But you can also convert a magazine with 10 rounds. That is a Walther P22 magazine, what is converted to fit in this gun. What is actually a Walther GSP pistol. I take down and you will see what it is. Well, it's only 2 screws. The shaft has to come off first. And then the barrel. And we put back the short one for the pistol. And this catch for the handle. Finally the handle. Voila! Back to a pistol. So, when you buy one of this, you have a match grade semi-automatic rifle. This is the barrel assembly. And a pistol for the price of one. Thanks for watching!